Hi guys, this is just a quick test. First time that I'm doing anything on YouTube, getting started. Yeah, I've got a crappy old video. Probably doesn't have the best mic or anything like that. I'm a mining guy. I am trying to write games, and the idea is that just to quickly share a couple of minutes on what I have been doing and what I'm working on. I am trying to find a new way of doing an old Minesweeper game, but adding some sort of mining technology to that. So let me go to window, entire screen, share. So while I'm busy working away, so like I said, I have been a big fan of games for many years. I've been in the mining industry for 20 odd years now as well. From about a month ago, I've not written a single line of code. Everything that I'll be showing you now has been done through ChatGPT and sort of learning my own things as well. As you can see, I am writing in Python at the moment. The premise of the game is uh, which I'll go through now, is taking what was done previously in Minesweeper and then adding a mining twist to it as well. Yeah, let's get into it. As you can see, I'm running everything on Visual Basic. I do have the sort of, I'm just using the Inter PowerShell from here. Um, going looking at the game itself. Let me just go to open open file location. So Python game version 1 and everything is sitting here. I've started building a couple of builds and playing around, and I've got sounds and I can use in-game music. I won't play my in-game music now because I'll probably be demonetized for the 0 people that's watching my stream at the moment. So let's get into my code. Let's open up the game. So I'm in my version 1. The way that this is set up as well is I'm using quite a few functions within Python. The idea is that I'll be starting off with a blank canvas. I'll be generating some um, ore clusters with specific algorithms that I've used previously. That creates 25% of the canvas, or the blocks that you'll see will be covered by ore clusters. And then I've got some drilling logic that you would spend some money to go and drill for an area, see how many blocks are there for ore and waste and things like that. And then you can then choose whether you want to go and mine that. So starting off, again, AI generated splash screen as well. So I'm just going to go and start the game. What it looks like underneath is you'll start off with just seeing a sort of a blank canvas, but I can click on the show entire ore body and you will see that there are random generated ore blocks that's being generated in the bottom. All of them has got different values. Yellow, orange, and red are representing different grades, so you've got different values for that as well. So if I reset and I show entire, you'll see it changes every single time. So the idea is that every single playthrough will be a different experience. So generally what you will do is you will start off with a blank game. Um, you will see a starting location, and that starting location will be the first block that you will mine from. So you can choose whether you want to mine from that in a certain direction, but that's going to cost you money. Um, but you're not actually sure whether there are any ore blocks within that, or you can choose to spend money on drilling in a specific direction. So as I drill, you can start seeing the ore blocks being displayed, and I am slowly but surely running out of money. So now that I've identified, okay, there's quite a few ore blocks in this specific area, I can go back to my um, mining toggle. I can then go and mine in a specific direction. So let's just do those 3, and let's do all of those. Yeah, making a bit of money. So I think the sort of the numbers are for the red blocks. I am getting like 65 credits, $65. For the orange ones, I'm getting like 45, and for the yellow ones, I'm getting like 25. For me to mine a block, for example, will be 15 credits. For me to drill a block will be 5 credits. So still working on that sort of balancing in getting it right. So now I'm going to spend a bit of money in drilling in a specific direction and see if there are other blocks that I might be interested in. Nothing really that strikes my fancy. Okay, there's a few more, so I'm going to go back to mining. Let's mine up to there. Let's include up to there as well. So I've made a bit of money. Let's just mine that block as well. That's cheap. Let's mine that, and I'm going to mine all the way through there. Let's just mine to there and there, and let's just drill a little bit further. Okay, so there's some more money. So I'm going to go and mine all the way to the end, and I'm going to be drilling. So now I've stumbled across a nice little mining area. So now I'm going to mine all the way across. Let's just do that one, mine across, mine across. And the idea is that you will continue on mining until you have depleted 75% of all of these ore blocks. So it's a bit of strategy thinking in, making sure that you are spending money on the right things, making sure that you are drilling, consistently drilling, making sure that you understand where the ore is supposed to be heading. And yeah, so let me carry on. Let me see if there are more blocks in this direction. Nothing worth my while at the moment. There we go. Let's just do that. So I can see some decent ore blocks in this one. So let's go back to toggle my mining. And let's just do that. That one. I'm going to do that one. I need to get to this area because I've got a feeling there might be quite a nice little drilling area over here. So all it is, so I can see now there's quite a lot of nice mining areas over here. All right, so just go down to there. Let's go there. And let's go to the bottom. All right. All right, so I'm going to go back to drilling. So I've got a little bit more cash in hand now. So I can spend a bit on drilling. Ooh, that's a nice block. Let's just check next to it. So I've got a nice thick little mining block. So I'm going to choose to do that, and then I can mine. You can only mine from a block that has been mined previously. So that's the idea, to sort of get a logical way of depleting an ore model. Now I've got quite a bit of money that's saved up. So now what I can do is I can go and upgrade my drill rig. So every time I spend a bit of money in upgrading my drill rig, it extends the direction and the drill distance that I can drill to by 2 blocks. So now if I drill, you'll see it's quite a lot further. Sorry, that was mining. So now if I go and drill this block out, you'll see that my overall drilling length is a lot further. If I upgrade it again, just to show you, now it's added another 2 blocks to that. So I can see there's a bit of mining happening in this area. So let's just go and mine that out. Let's mine down here. Let's mine down up there, up there. Let's do that. All right. I'll just take these 2 bottom blocks as well while I'm at it. Now I'm going to go and do some more exploration. There's some nice exploration. So let's go mining. I just mine all the way to there. Mine all the way to there. And let's just mine that entire block. And I'm going to upgrade my drill again. And I'm going to be doing some exploration. So the sort of the thing is that you've got a distance that you're paying for the drilling, so you want to try and get it done in a direction that makes a little bit more sense, so you don't underpay for the areas that has been drilling. I'm mining that out. Let's just drill some holes down here. Okay, let's just go and mine these out. I know I'm probably gonna spending a bit too much money, but that's fine. And I'm going to be doing some more exploration down here. Just cover that area as well. Toggle mining, do that. Let's do that. So I'm at 34% at the moment. So I'm getting close to that 75%. So next area that I want to start investigating is what's happening here at the bottom. So I've now got my, okay, I think I've hit the mother lode. So that's where I want to be. Right, so let's just go toggle mining. Mine all the way through there. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's mine all the way through there. Mine all the way through there. Let's do that one. All the way through there. So I'm now at 46%. The aim of this one is to get to 75%. So let's go and look for other areas where there's high grades. So I've got quite a lot of money. So this is a pretty easy level. The idea is that as you go on in levels, the difficulty will increase. So you'll have fewer blocks. You've got to be a little bit smarter in terms of how you spend your money and things like that. Right. Let me just, since I think I'll probably pass this level quite easy. So let me just do all the way through there. So yeah, I'm still got so much money. Just mine all the way through there, all the way through there. I'm just going to do some drilling in this area to see if there's anything here worthwhile. Let me mine further down so I can sort of create a little bit of a, as I would call in the mining industry, a little exploration drive, if you like. So there's a lot of things in between. I'm going to do this, drill out this little area in between and see what is there. Maybe even this area, and then ultimately, let me do a nice little mining platform here and drill up and see what is in there. So I'm at 54, so I need about 20% more. So I'm just going to go and mine out. I've still got 1,200 credits left. I've spent a lot of money on exploration. Some of the interesting things that I would be tracking down the line is that if to mine a block successful is that how much money are you spending on mining, how many different drilling runs are you running, so you can start sort of capturing those stats to see what is better to spend money on. Better to do exploration? Is it better to spend it straight on mining? You might have different approaches. If you're a mining engineer, I know that they will say, okay, well, we only need to spend money on mining, so why do I need to spend money on exploration? Yeah, I'm not going to say that's right or wrong, even though I'm kind of engineer. My thinking is engineering wise. So I'm going to try not to lose money. So let's just do that. I'm just trying to find the best ore blocks here. So I'm at 65. I want to get to sort of clearing the specific level because I'm busy testing a next level that's got little obstacles that going to hinder your drilling and your mining. It was going to stop you short. So if I mine a direction, it's just going to stop me short, and I've got to go and mine around different obstacles. And if I do exploration, it will just stop it short, and I can't see what's behind it. So just to add a little bit of complexity. So 68%. Let me just find out more ore. Okay, there's some more ore. Drill out that area, so there's not much there. It's a bit of ore there. Let me just drill out this area. Drill out that area as well. So let's go back to toggle my mining. Right, let's do that. I'm going to do that area. I'm at 70%. Hopefully soon I'll get to my 75%. I've basically passed this level. I am now I might just change this a little bit. So for now, I've kept it to 75. It's a nice sort of testing check for me to make sure that all my functionality base functionality is working. And I'll probably find something that is broken. That's just the way it is. If anyone's asked how long I've been working on this, basically the underlying ore generation algorithms I've been working for about 3 weeks now. Not just on that, but I'm in creating. So now I've got a level completed. Yeah, the button is showing up. a few times. I'm supposed to be going through to a next level, but for some odd reason, it's not taking me through to the next level. Let me see. Reset game. Okay, so obviously there's something wrong. So I'm going to go back while we are in this. Go back to my ChatGPT code. So yeah. Hide. So when I finish the first level, I get a level finished message, but no option to go to the next level. Right, let's see what the smarticles of AI is going to give us. Right. A little bit about myself. I am from South Africa originally. I've been living in Swakopmund in Namibia for the last 5 odd years. I've only recently started doing a bit of software development, coding, and things like that. So I can see that. Let's go and have a look at my level completed function. So let me just go and do that. So I'm going to do that and open that one up. So let's just do level completed and see what's happening there. So level completed, I need to update that one. It seems to be an issue. All right, display next level screen. Do I have that? I'm not sure if I've got that. Display, copy. I'm not sure if I've got that one. Control C. Okay, I don't have that one, so that might explain why I was not getting the next one. So I'm just going to put it right. Level completed. I'll just put it below the level completed one. And let's just make sure that my start level definition is correct. So define start level, global, so number rows, block size, or coverage, display, return, current level, number columns, number rows, level, block size, min, initialize board if level 1, assume next level has obstacles. Yeah, so moving to my next level, which has got the obstacles kind of thing. Add random obstacles, display message. Yeah, it seems all right. So let's just close that. And let's just reopen up the game. ob1.py. Here's my game. Come on. It's not probably not, because it's not called OE1. It is actually called OS1.py. Right? So open it up. So start game. And I'm going to be cheating, and I'm going to go and show entire ore body just for now, because I want to test whether it is actually working correctly. So starting location, so let's just do that. Toggle mining. So this is my debug mode, if you like. So yes, I'm cheating. It's my game, my rules. That's part of the fun. So I want to get to that 75% as quickly as possible. Some of the things that I've got on here is you've got an option to go and select your music from your computer. I've got some very basic sound settings that's included as well. So they are. So I'm working on options for different levels, and if you've got some ideas, yeah, pass them through to me in the comments below. Happy to have a look at it. I'm making a crap load of money, as I should. So let's just do that. Okay, 38%, getting there. You know what I'm going to do? Do that. As long as I don't run out of money, I should be fine. So it will stop when I get to 0. just mine this entire block. I think I should make money with this entire block. Just do that, that. I think I've still got the code for it to be diagonally. I'll probably remove it one day. I'm not a big fan of being able to mine diagonally, but I suppose it's good for me testing. And how much are I? 61%. I'm getting there. So let's just do those. Just do those. Those blocks. Let's just get all of these cells. So thinking about the cluster creation is I've developed and tested quite a few different way of generating clusters for generating the sort of the underlying ore bodies. My main aim is to do sort of 5 main ones and then do the isolated blocks. Isolated blocks for now has got the same value as everything else. So level complete, show entire ore body. I'm not seeing the next ore block. It just looks like it's the same thing to me again. Toggle mining. I'm not seeing any obstacles in this one. So, all right. So I'll be continuously working on getting those sort of obstacles fixed and things like that. But that was a quick test on getting my first view out on YouTube, first of all, and also what I have been working on. So yeah, thanks everyone that's going to watch, since I've got a full 0 views, concurrent viewers, and chat rate. The way I like it, can talk to myself. My inner little voice is working. Yeah, if you do see me go online, come and support my channel. Like the little 20-minute stream. Yeah, thank you very much. Cheers, everyone.